Hello, I'm Lurgs. Welcome to my channel. I'm here to save you time, but most importantly, money, by helping you to fix things yourself. And today, it's the Volkswagen T5 Transporter, how to adjust the headlamp beam. Normally you would never have to touch this, but if you've got loads of stuff in the back of your van, it means the front will be tilting upwards slightly. So you need to adjust the headlamps so they shine on the road correctly. Right. Let's get cracking. This is the VW T5 Transporter here, the beast. And before we get started, there's a link above now about the fuse box locations and how to check the fuses on this van. Okay, let's walk up to the van here and I'll just give you a very crude demonstration of why you need to adjust the headlamps. So at the moment it's on level ground and the headlamp beams are in the correct position. Now, if you put a load of weight in the back of your van, as demonstrated here, obviously the back of the van will then lower. And when you put on your main beams, they will be shining up skywards and any oncoming drivers will get blinded. Now we're sitting on the driver's seat here and we need to put the ignition on and start the engine to put the main beams on. And there's a link above now about what all the dashboard lights mean on your Volkswagen T5. And I'm just going to turn on the main beams here. And we can see the main beam headlights shining on the garage there, and now we can adjust them. And we do this by using this rotating dial here. Now you would normally only ever leave this in the dash position, which is the standard setting, and always leave it on this setting for any MOTs. Now you can actually adjust the beam slowly, it goes all the way up to number 3. And now I'll show you how that works with the beam shining on the garage door. So this is with the dial set to number 3. And as you can see, the beams are being lowered. So if you've got something really heavy in the back, you need to lower the beams. Likewise, if you dial it back to the standard setting, then the beams will go back up. And I'll just show you this in zoom mode and speed it up. As you can see, there's quite a lot of movement in there, especially over a long distance. Now it's difficult to see here, but what it does, it actually adjusts the headlamp housing inside. And there's a link above now about the battery location and how to check the battery on a Volkswagen T5. If you found that video useful, please subscribe by pressing this button down here for more how-tos, helpful tips and life hacks. And if you'd like to select any other videos around here, that would be really cool. And be sure to hit that bell notification tab.